The ostrich is the extreme of bird evolution. He may not be able to fly, but of all the birds, he runs the fastest race. Our next high-octane animal couldn't be more of a contrast to the others. He's only 20 millimeters long, he hides underground, and he has 8 legs. Those legs are pretty good for running, but when this little creature wants to pack on the speed, he does something very surprising. The golden wheel spider is the only creature in the world that actually turns itself into a wheel to get out of trouble. Golden wheels live among the hot sand dunes of Namibia in Africa. They don't build webs, so the only option is to go out hunting. This one is on the lookout for juicy insects. But it will be a challenging day. A pompilid wasp is looking for somewhere to lay her egg, but not just anywhere. Somewhere safe from predators, and close to a generous supply of food. The golden wheel spider. The wasp is trying to lay her egg inside the spider. If successful, she will bury the living spider, and her larva will hatch inside and eat the spider alive. But first, she must sting the spider, and the spider is not about to cooperate. He needs to get away fast. The golden wheel tucks his legs into a wheel shape, and off he goes. He's speeding down the dune at 1 meter per second. His body is spinning at 20 times a second. It's a dizzying experience. But the wasp is left behind. She must find another victim for her living nursery. And the spider has escaped a gruesome death. Golden wheel spiders do have a venomous bite, but it is not harmful to humans. Their main defense is to hide in a deep burrow, far from predatory wasps. The burrow might be 50 centimeters deep, so this spider has to shift a lot of sand. He will end up moving massive amounts of material in order to build a safe home. He completes his silk-lined burrow and retreats to safety. This tiny marvel of the sand dunes will emerge again at nightfall to continue his high-speed race.